Hey, it's Ben Hassel here, and here in this quick tutorial we're going to dive right in and have a look at how we get video down to our timeline without the audio in that video. So basically there's a couple of ways of doing this. The first is to use the menu option that we have here where we can select video only, and basically we toggle that on, and once that's toggled on, then any clip that we drag down will only drag down the video. So you can see this clip has no audio on it. If I toggle back to all, then you can see the audio is there on the timeline. So basically, the quickest way to do that is to use the shortcut Shift 1, 2, and for audio only Shift 3. So basically I can hold Shift and tap 2, drag that clip down, and it will have no audio on it. And then if I hold Shift and tap 1, it will have the audio on it. So that's the quickest way to kind of get these clips down with or without audio. Obviously, if you don't have the audio on there, then we can't bring it back. So there's no way of bringing the levels for that audio back up. So I tend to drop the audio down just in case I want any of that ambient sound back in my video. If you do bring down a clip with the audio completely turned off, then you can use the shortcut Shift and F, and that will bring you back to the clip that you selected. So you can see this clip up here, and basically it's selecting the range of the clip that is added to the timeline. So if I select this slightly shorter clip here, okay, I'm going to do Shift and 2, drag that down to the timeline, click away, and we will come back to this clip and just press X, so we select the whole clip. Now if we come back down to the timeline and do Shift and F, it will remake that original selection. So now if I want to do Shift and 1 and bring this back down to the timeline, you can see the audio is back. So if I delete that, if I want to replace the clip here with the clip with the audio, then I can just hover over, let go, and then just do a straight replace, and it will replace that clip with the audio now added back into that clip. So there's a few useful shortcuts for managing videos as you pull them down to the timeline, Shift 1, 2, and 3 for bringing down clips with or without the audio. And then also if you need to get that audio back, using Shift and F to kind of reveal your original clip back in your browser so that you can add it back to the timeline with the audio. I hope that's been useful. If you have any questions about Final Cut Pro 10, then please do leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.